Welcome! This is ElectricAvi. Today we're gonna solve the Rubik Cube. Yeah, this is a beginner's tutorial with as little memorizing required of algorithms. Step-by-step tutorial with clear instructions. If you like, push the like button and subscribe for more videos. Let's have a look on the cube. You see a white face on the bottom, on the top yellow in the opposite side. On the side you have blue, orange, green and red, or Bogr, B-O-G-R. Now let's have a look on the various parts. We have three kind of parts. We have the centers in the middle of each face, same color, single color. Next part are the edges. They are in the mid of each side. They have two colors. For the two faces there are in between. And the corners. Corners all have three colors. As you see, this one is yellow, blue and orange. This one is white, blue and orange. Three kind of colors for each corner. We will solve the Rubik Cube in the following steps. First three steps will solve the two layers, and the third layers, the yellow one, is solved in the 4, 5, 6 steps until the completion of the whole cube. You see, we start with a white cross in step 1. Step 2 completely solves the first layer, the white layer. Step 3 solves the second layer, and then on the top we solve the yellow and the whole cube. Now we have 6 faces. Each can turn clockwise or counterclockwise, like the right or left. As you see, they are turned clockwise, R or L. Same with the upper, lower, U or D, clockwise, and the front and also the back. If there is an apostrophe or prime next to the R, L or any other letter, it means you turn it counterclockwise. So let's see these moves. We can turn the right part clockwise, right, or counterclockwise, right prime, L or L prime. Front clockwise, F or F prime, counterclockwise, and down or down prime. So the next step solves the white cross in the bottom, as you see in the lower part, around the white center. But first we solve the white cross around the yellow center, as follows. Okay, so let's start solving the cube together. Step 1, we'll make the white cross around the white center. But first, we will make it around the yellow center. We need to find these middle white edges, like this one, and put them on the top, like this. If there's one on the top, you move it, so you don't harm it. Here's another one. First we will move it to the side. Let's find another one, this one, on the bottom. Again, we will move the upper layer. This is a white cross, but the cross is around the yellow center. Now we will get it down to the lower white center. So we will turn these white edges around the white center and not the yellow center. But first we need to match the second color, like this orange, to the center below it before we turn it down. So this is it. You see this one has green to green colors. Now this is already matched also, is red in red. And the last one has the second color of this white edge is blue, so we match it with the blue, and then we turn it to the lower part. Now we have finished our white cross of step 1 around the white center, and also we matched center edges like this blue one on the side from the next layer. This is a complete step 1. Now we're ready for the completion of the whole white layer, the first layer, by the completion of the white corners, 4 corners. For this we will need the only algorithm in this tutorial in 2 versions, the right hand algorithm and the left hand algorithm. We will practice these algorithms as follows. Now we will hold the white part on the bottom and do basic algorithms. This is the right hand algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now let's try to do this several times. R, U, R prime, U prime. If you do this right hand algorithm 6 times, you return to the same state. The other one is the left side algorithm, L prime, U prime, L, U. And again, try to do this by yourself. You will see that after 6 times, you return to the same state. Both algorithms start by pushing the right or left side. So what we actually need now is the right hand algorithm to complete step 2. We'll get these white corners on the top to the lower part. So we look at the 2 other colors of the white corner, here blue and orange. We make sure it matches the 2 centers around it. You see, if not, we turn the upper layer. Now we put it on the right side and do the right hand algorithm. If it is not down yet, we repeat the right hand algorithm until it appears right like this on the bottom. Now we find another white corner. Again, we fit the colors, it fits to the centers, and we do the right hand algorithm. You see it's down, but not in the right orientation. We repeat the right hand algorithm. And here it is, completed. Next corner, which is missing, is here. This is red and green, matches the green but not red. We turn the upper layer here, red and green, it's positioned, we put it on the right side, and we do the right hand algorithm. Okay, this is there is another one here. We find the colors: orange, green, and right hand algorithm. Not oriented, okay. Right, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, again, R, U, R prime, U prime. And the first layer is completed with all the white corners. Just like that. Also, the centers are matched as we solved in the first step of the white cross. Now we're ready to solve the first two layers in step 3. What is missing are the mid-layer edges of the second layer. They may be with a yellow color, which belongs to the top layer. So we will look on the edges on the top layer and find the edges without the yellow color. We will first match their color in below to the center below them, and by looking on the color on the top, the other color of the edge, we will see if it fits the right center or the center on the left. There are two cases. In case 1, we need to move it to the right, so what we do, we turn the upper layer and the edge to the other side, to the left, by performing a U-turn. Then we do a right hand, then the wall cube right, and a left hand. So we will look on the second layer. You see this edge is wrong, and also this one is wrong. What we do is look on the top layer and find edges, these mid edges, without a yellow color. This is yellow on the side, it's okay. This one does not have the yellow color. It belongs in the second layer. We match the color to the center below it. Now we look on the other color. This is orange. It matches the left center. So we move the edge to the right. Now we do a left hand algorithm. Turn the wall cube left and a right hand algorithm. This was a move to the left. Now we will check other edges. We will look on the top layer again. Find edges without the yellow color. This red one, we match it with the green one. Sorry, we match it to the green center. The other color is red on the left. Again, we will do a left move. So we move the edge to the right. Left hand algorithm. Turn the wall cube left, and a right hand algorithm. Let's look on the second layer. It's not solved yet. There's another edge. This one is blue. We match it to the center, and the red on the right. So should go to the right. We turn it to the left. Do a right hand algorithm. Turn the wall cube right, and a left hand algorithm. Still, you can see that there is one edge which is wrong. Here, this one. It is actually flipped. So what we will do now, we will pick one of the edges on the top that it may have a yellow color, but we will move it on this one, the wrong one, to the right. So we do a left move, right hand algorithm, turn the cube right, and left hand algorithm. Now we will move the edge from the top in the correct order, matching it. Needs to go to the right, so we turn it to the left, right hand algorithm, turn the roll cube right, and the left hand algorithm. Now you can see that the wall 2 layers are solved, and the only layer we need to finish is the third upper layer with the yellow colors. So now we have a fun stage. You look on the top layer from above, and you will see a pattern of yellow parts. The goal is to make a yellow cross. The corners doesn't matter the color, just the cross of the edges in the center. And there are 3 cases. You may see a line, or in case 1, case 2 is an L shape, and case 3 is the dot. The algorithm for the solution is quite simple. This is the right hand algorithm, but before it you do the turn F, which is the front face clockwise, and after it you do F prime front face counterclockwise. This is for the line. And for the other, like the L, if you do the algorithm twice, you get the cross, and for the dot, you do the algorithm 3 times. So from the dot, you jump to the L, from the L to the line. So this is the line. You hold it from the right to the left, horizontal, turn front, right hand algorithm, turn front, counterclockwise, F prime. In the second case, you have the L, you put it in the 9 o'clock position, and then you can run this algorithm twice. So you can do the F turn, double time right hand, and F prime. Here's how it looks like. You put the L in the 9 o'clock, like this, in the top, turn the front, do the right hand twice, F prime, and you get the cross. The dot case is rare. If you get it, just do the algorithm once and you get the L. Here's the dot in the center. You just do F right hand F prime and you get the L. Never mind the yellow corner, just look at the L. Now solve like the L, F right hand again, and F prime, you got the cross. Now for the next step 5, you only need to mind the position of the yellow corners. Good position for a yellow corner is such that the 2 other colors of the corner are between the 2 centers, correct centers. So you rotate the upper face, the yellow face, and you try to find a pair of 2 good corners in good positions. If you got this is the case 1, you put them both on the left side, and you run the algorithm. The algorithm is quite simple. Right hand 3 times, turn the roll cube to the right, This is clockwise, and you do the left hand 3 times. When you can't find two corners adjacent one to the other that are in good positions, they will be in the opposite position. In this case, you just run the algorithm the same way, and you get the case 1, that they are both in the left side, and you do the algorithm again. So we see this red and blue corner isn't near blue. This one is in a good position, green and orange, between the green and orange centers. Next one has green, it's not positioned okay. And this one is not positioned okay. Now what we will do, we will turn the top layer if we couldn't find two good positioned corners. Now let's see. This is red and blue sensor. This is good. Next, this is orange. No, orange, it's bad. Let's look at this one. Orange and blue is good. Great. So these two corners on the left, we put them on the left. They are good position. We can do the algorithm. Now you do the right hand 3 times. Then you turn the cube to the right and left hand. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see. We should have 4 positions good. This is green and red. We turn it to the green and red. Positioned okay. Now all other corners should be positioned good. This is green orange near the green orange center. This corner blue orange. It's okay. And also the other one red and blue. So we're almost done. Step 6 solves the yellow face almost. As you see, the some of the corners, the stickers are not on the top, and we flip them such that the yellow side is on the top. This is the only time you turn the cube upside down such that the white side is on the top, and you do the right hand algorithm. Such that the yellow corner is on the right side, and you look down below and you check if the yellow side comes to the lower side. If not, you do the right hand again and again until the yellow part shows on below. Then, very important, you just only turn the lower yellow layer and not the wall cube. Don't mind if the wall cube gets messed up, it will be fixed in the end. So have a look at these yellow corners. You see the yellow sticker is on the side and not on the top. We need to correct this. So we turn the cube upside down. You see the white part is on the top. The messed up corner is on the right side. You do the right hand algorithm and you check. If the yellow part is not there, you do it again, right hand. Okay, now you only turn the lower yellow layer. This is good. Okay, this is the wrong corner. Again, the sticker is on the side. Right hand algorithm. Check. Right hand. Again, check. It's good. Next, we turn the lower layer again. This one is wrong again, so right hand. Right hand. Good. And now for the final exciting step to complete the wall cube, you will notice something interesting in the side faces. You see that almost always you get one complete face, like here the red one, as you see on the side, you hold it in front of you. And the other side faces, you will see that one of these mid edges is wrong, and you need to turn it like push it from if you need to push it from the right side, like in this picture, in the green face, you see the red edge needs to go to the right side in the red face. So you do the right push. Right push algorithm is simple. You do right hand, left hand, and then 5 times right hand, 5 times left hand. Don't do it too fast, so you don't mess up the whole cube. In case you see that the edges need to be rotated the other way on the left push, so what you do, you start with the left hand. So everything is the same, just start with left, right, and then 5 left, 5 right. You may also encounter some case that there is no complete face on the side. In this case, you just do push right or push left algorithm, it doesn't matter. So here we've got a complete face. This is a green one, and you see this edge in the middle is wrong in all other 3 faces. You hold this green in front of you, and let's see which direction you need to push. This way you have orange. Okay, look, this is blue. In the back, this is the blue face, so the blue needs to go from the right. Red needs to be pushed also to the right. So what we do, we hold the complete face and we push from the right, like this. Right hand, left hand, 5 times, right hand, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get these 2 yellow lines. Okay, now 5 times, left hand. And voila.